Let me walk you through our student referral guide so it's easy to follow. Hey there, welcome to IPASS. Sharing success means earning rewards. Let's see how easy it is to get started. Step 1. Register for our student referral program. Check the registration link in the comments section. Once completed, you will receive your referral account details via email. Step 2. Share your referral link or code with friends, classmates, or colleagues so they can start their IPASS journey. Step 3. When someone signs up and successfully acquired any of our major services using your referral link or code, it will be counted as a successful referral automatically. You can also track your referrals anytime by logging into our portal using the credentials sent to your email. For an even easier referral process, you can share your personal QR code automatically generated in your account as an alternative option. This makes signing up faster and more convenient for your friends. Finally, enjoy your rewards. You may redeem them as cash via GCash or bank transfer, or use them as a discount voucher on your next IPASS service. Every successful referral counts. Thank you for sharing the IPASS experience.